guys, Jay, and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be exploring the Houses of Doom. Like I told you. Remember, brighten up the image.
Wait, we think this is a ghost house because there's imaginary ghosts.
Oh crap. Guys, we can see better from right here, I bet you. Like sun. Oh crap, I don't think, guys. Nah, go explore this house. Is this your Baptist house?
Yes, this is our church house.
This
is the church house. This is where the horses back in
I think your Baptist moved because nobody's actually here. Nobody.
Welcome to our home.
This used to be our own home.
An old house.
What did?
This house.
We lived in here. You lived in here? Come on, guys. Hey, guys, we're going to be doing this adventure. Hey, somebody left the door open. Stop, BJ. Somebody could actually live here.
Look, we lived in here. Look.
Dude, guys, want to see something cool? Come on, guys. Let's look.
You see that? You see the very top?
Yeah.
Never lay. That's